In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow everybody on TikTok at once, so you don't have to go through each of your followers and unfollow them manually. So first, open up your TikTok app, go to your profile, and at the moment I'm not following anyone, but you would have to click to unfollow everybody. So to do it all at once, go to the top right on the three dots, click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you see Report a Problem. Once you're on this screen again, scroll down until you see Submit a Report. From there, you want to say something like, "Please, I follow too many accounts. Can you unfollow them all? Thanks." And then you just click submit and that's it. You're going to get a message from TikTok that they have unfollowed everybody you follow. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped out, let me know in the comments down below. If it didn't, let me know what is the problem and I do my best to help you.